Every day, thousands of companies around the world choose proven solutions. Because when continuity of production is at stake, there's no room for uncertainty. What matters is reliability. What works? At Otinus, we understand that perfectly. That's why we build technology that drives your growth and gives you full control over your process. For sheet metal cutting, our laser cutters deliver speed, precision, and clean edges. When it comes to thicker materials, our plasma cutters combine cutting power with flexibility. Bending is handled by our press brakes, accurate, repeatable, and consistent under pressure. Guillotine shears cut fast and clean. 98% of our customers recommend Otinus. Over 1,200 completed orders, and that number keeps growing. 91% of machines are delivered in less than a week because we have them in stock. Our solutions are already working in 23 countries around the world, and more are on the way. And when you need support, we're there. Online or on site, our technicians act fast and efficiently. We install, train, and advise in person or remotely, up to 16 hours a day. We also offer flexible financing, leasing, or short-term rental tailored to your needs. With Otinus, you get more than equipment. You gain peace of mind. A partner who understands what drives your business. Otinus, we serve you.